Okay, so when I was a kid, my mom used to sprinkle the carpet stuff on the carpet and then wait a little bit and then vacuum it up, and it would make the house smell really good. And I never used it as an adult, but Good Natured sent me this one so that I could try it and give you my opinion about it and show you how great it works. Obviously, I've got the lemon. You can tell by the package. I've got the lemon scented one. And it smells so good. I've got the bag open and I can smell it, and it just smells fresh and lemony and clean. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'm just doing it right out of the bag here. You might want to use like a little scoop so that you can control it a little bit better. But there, we've got it on the carpet. And ooh, that's what I'm talking about. And so we are going to wait about 10 minutes and then we're going to vacuum this up. This was so easy to use. It vacuumed up really well. It didn't leave any residue behind. It's made with natural ingredients, scented with essential oils, made in the USA. Great. So there you go, pets and kids in the home, no problem, easy to use. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I will also link my Eureka vacuum for you as well. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe. Thanks.